Well, we are learning that the flights to and from Israel's Ben Gurion Airport have been suspended as of now. Israel's emergency services raise their level to peak alertness. Rocket alerts for northwestern Israel have also been put out. Netanyahu is all set to convene a security cabinet amid preemptive strikes on Hezbollah. We have CNN News 18's Akash Sharma joining us on the broadcast. Akash, a very good morning to you. Please help us put that into perspective for our viewers.
Right. So, Sakshi, you see in the wee hours, Israel Defense Forces carried out the strike on several targets in Lebanon. And, it was claimed that these targets were going to strike on Israel. And, several sort of rocket attacks and drone attacks were planned from these, sites. However, after this strike, we saw that how, 200 plus rockets were fired, in North Lebanon. However, Iron Dome worked and, we haven't got any sort of news about injuries or any sort of destruction. But yes, definitely for the few hours, the emergency situation was declared. In fact, several sort of measures were taken in Israel. We saw the visuals that how Prime Minister Netanyahu and also the Defense Minister, along with the senior officials from IDF, were monitoring the situation constantly. We know that how the airport, the Ben Gurion Airport of the Israel, was shut for a brief time. However, now we are learning that situation is, back to normal, in fact, and we are learning that airport will be reopened in some time. In fact, there is an announcement from the authorities. Also, Netanyahu is all set to convene this security meeting that you initially mentioned. So this was the situation. We saw several videos where, these rocket attacks were clearly visible. Iron Dome worked, and yes, we have seen in the past as well that how, several sort of missile attacks and drone attacks were carried out on Israel. But yes, Iron Dome worked. And as of now, this meeting will be crucial because next sort of course of action will be decided in it.
Right, Akash. Thanks for putting all of that into perspective for our viewers. We'll keep coming back to you as and when we receive more details with regard